Two people wake up on the same day. Same city, same opportunities. One becomes rich, the other stays stuck. Not because of luck, not because of talent, but because of a system you were never taught to see. What if I told you? The rich don't just earn more money. They play a completely different game. Let's go back 100 years. Back then, wealth was simple. Work more, earn more. Time equals money. But today, that rule is broken. The richest 1% now own more wealth than most of the world combined. And the strange part, people are working harder than ever, yet falling behind. So what changed? There are two financial games in this world. Game 1, work for money. Game 2, make money work for you. Most people are stuck in the first game. The rich mastered the second. Imagine money like a tree. Most people eat the fruit. The rich plant more trees, stocks, businesses, real estate. Each one produces more money, even while they sleep. Now here's where it gets powerful. Compounding. Money making money. That makes even more money. Over time, it grows faster and faster. But if you don't invest, you miss the entire game. And instead, you fall into the debt trap. Loans, EMEs, bills, working just to survive. While someone else's assets are growing richer every second. Crisis/turning point, 5 to 8. Then comes the moment that reveals everything. A crisis, like 2008. Markets crash, jobs disappear, people lose homes, fear spreads everywhere. But the rich, they stay calm. Because when prices fall, they see opportunity. They buy assets at a discount. While others panic, they prepare. And when the market recovers, their wealth multiplies. This isn't a one-time event. It happens again, and again, and again. Today, the gap is bigger than ever. The rich own assets. The average person owns liabilities. Wages grow slowly, but assets, they explode in value. So even if you work harder, you fall behind faster. This is not just inequality, it's a system that rewards those who already have money. Resolution/lesson last minute. So what's the truth? It's not about working harder. It's about understanding the game. Because once you see it, you can't unsee it. The rich aren't lucky. They just learned the rules early. And the longer you ignore those rules, the further behind you fall. Final CTA, so tell me, are you still working for money? Or are you ready to make money work for you? Comment below.